Welcome back to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you are doing good and also kids are doing great. Jedu, put the gate, Papa. Jedu. Hey, baby, wait. Oh, this guy. Put the gate some days, but some days he just want to run. Where you running? Today was sports day for Jaden. Tuesdays, they usually have sports day. Hey, what is this you're doing? Are you climbing? Hurry! What are you doing? Why? Why are you crawling? What's wrong with you, Jedu? Oi! Chi 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 chi. What is this? What are you, dinosaur? Where are you going? No, 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 no. Come, change the dress. No, bacha, don't do that. Why you want to sit on that? You have a cycle, right? Where's the cycle? Where's the cycle, bacha? He had thrown these two chappals down, which he always does over here. So I had to take a stick and luckily got it out. Yay! Sharon is going. Where to, Paula? Where you want to go? Huh? Broom, broom, you want to go? Come change your dress. Remove your socks. Morning when he woke up, he got his blanket and sat in the swing. I had to wash dishes and all other stuff. We had to cook food and so couldn't get time to clean the hall. Guess we'll do it later. What is most important? We ensure we do that first because then we can do all this other things later. Remove your socks. And also keep an eye on Jaden. We actually always prefer that, we don't leave him alone at any cost. That is very important. Baby, put it in the laundry bag, okay, baby? Okay, sweetheart? Grandma will help you to remove. From here you can't throw, give me. How will you throw from here, man? Oh my god. Hey, what phone, Venuma? Come on, change your clothes. I'll get clothes for you. Wait, I'll get dress for you, okay? Looks like it's gonna rain today. If it rains, it's good. And I don't know. There is no rain in Bangalore at all, guys. I mean, it's July. July is gonna get over and August is gonna hit and still there is no rain. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Where's the string of that? Oh, you lost the string somewhere? I kept it inside. ते असं वडला तो मग everything came off. Drink water? Here. Take water. Here, baby. Here, baby. Drink water. Just check your tiffin box if you have finished everything or not. Oh my god. Why is it so heavy? Like you have not eaten anything. Let's check Shaden's tiffin box. Oh, you did eat. I gave him pasta and a chocolate and this fruit. Today they had a fruit sharing activity where each child will get one of the fruit from house. So Jaden had to take kiwi. So yes, I had sent him kiwi. And yes, now he's gonna sit and eat this. Sit and finish this.
Rice and dal for you.
Rice and dal? Okay. So we made palak dal and white rice. Oh, careful. No phone now, Papa. No phone.
Wash your leg, hands.
Come, wash your hands and legs.
Wash and come.
No, Jedu. No, Jedu. See, I'm recording what you're doing. Very bad. Very bad. See, guys. See how bad. Should not do that, no? See, should not do like that. Say sorry, Grandma.
Sorry, Grandma.
Don't do that. Give Kishi to Grandma. Give Grandma Kishi. Grandma, Jaden giving Kishi to you. Give Grandma one Kishi, no? And say sorry, Grandma. Ayo.
Phone,
Gosh,
I'll go
he is
first,
hitting
first.
like anything
No phone.
these days. Oh my god. I don't know, maybe this is
Wash.
a phase. So yes, we're just trying to be as gentle and polite with him and just tell him that no, it's not right. But yeah, we don't hit him back because it's not right. So yes, this is the face. I'm seeing a lot of changes of faces as is growing. And there was a phase where he was throwing each and everything that has stopped now, and then now he started like hitting. So maybe this is one of the phase, and now we're just trying to be gentle. What we were doing earlier when he was throwing things gentle. So yes, hopefully this phase will also change and he'll understand and things will be alright. It's okay, they are kids, guys. I mean, yes, they just don't know, like, what is happening or what they're doing or anything. But just that we have to be gentle and we have to be calm, which is very important. If you do that, then yes, they will understand and they will eventually stop doing it because we have seen the changes in him. And yes, he does understand it, but it takes some time, but it's okay. He will understand. Just be gentle, that is all I will say, and have patience. That is very important because with kids, it's really important. Yes, no, baby? Yes? Sweetheart? Yes, it's important?
Yes.
Much,
Mind no problem.
much food.
No, no. Okay, fine. Say everyone bye. Come, let's freshen up, okay? Now I'll turn off the video, okay? Say bye to all.
Bye.
Okay. Bye, guys.